What's going on, everybody? I am back. Got the fish station ready to rock. Alright guys, couldn't do the video yesterday. The rain was horrible. I mean horrible. It was funny, but it was horrible. Alright, so I'm gonna get the grill or the fish station going. I mean, all in all, pretty good trip. So I'm gonna do a side. Got my whole grain brown rice. We have the 2 crappie all cleaned up. Just gonna fry those whole. And get the frog legs. Gonna end up rinsing those frog legs. So I've got my so I used egg, creamer, and milk for my egg wash. Put the old rubber gloves on. Can probably adjust that a little. Hope Buddy don't come over here and disturb me while I'm cooking. For those of you who don't know Buddy, he is our little red squirrel. And he's usually around doing something. So yeah, all in all, guys, good fishing trip. Not bad at all. I mean, didn't catch as much as we want, but I mean, technically we were only out there like an hour. So, got the flour. Plop a bunch of that in the plate. Not gonna get too many camera angles this time, guys. I mean, you know how it's done. If you don't, watch my other videos. Okay. Now in my flour, I got my Dollar Tree rub. If you guys don't know what Dollar Tree rub is, make sure you check out the other videos. I'll put a healthy dose of that in. Should be good. Give that a stir with the old hands, get that all mixed in together. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the fish. Whole fried crappie, guys. I'm gonna get that in there and get that soaking real good. Now, important to get your oil piping hot. Get it real hot. It's the only way to fry stuff. Just got my fish swimming in the stuff. Flour's all mixed up. And the oil is getting hot. Hopefully that's enough oil. Looked like a lot more when I poured it in. Fish station still going strong, guys. Still going strong. If you want to learn how to make your own fish station, I have a video on that too. Check it out. Please subscribe. Check that oil out. Looks pretty hot to me. So I want to take the fish out. Well, don't drop them in. I want to get some batter in and around everything. All right. And one. And 2. Yes, got 4 frog legs. Put those right in the egg wash as well. Let those soak for a little bit. Another look at that fish. really as battered as I wanted them, guys. So any tricks of the trade, let me know down in the comments below. I will appreciate it very much. But that's looking pretty good, guys. Real good. Okay, let's see what we got here. Important when flipping fish, not to take all the skin off as you're doing it. These are looking good, guys. Couple more minutes and those will be done. Alright guys, I got my 90-second rice in the microwave right now. Let's pull this fish and get these frog legs in. Oh yeah, that looks good. Very good, very good. Alright, let's get these frog legs dropped, huh? I may have needed more oil, guys. Give me some tips down in the comments, guys. What am I doing wrong? What's the deal? Why are things not going great? Sometimes cooking. I would like more breading on stuff, and I know they double dip stuff to make it more crunchy, but I don't know how to do that. So if you know how to do that, shoot me a comment. Say, hey, try cooking this way. That'd be awesome. All right, frog legs are almost done. My instant rice is done. Oh, that's hot. Frog legs just about there. Another flip. Gonna let those go a couple more minutes. I've never actually cooked frog legs fried. I've grilled them, but that was a long time ago. Doug, Mark, hope you remember that. That was a good time. We went camping and got us some frogs and ate frog legs. All right. I just don't know when they're done. So guys, if you know about how long to cook these, also that would help out a lot. I've eaten these many times, but I've not cooked them too many times. But those look good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the gas off. All right, guys. Check this out. We got the fried whole crappie, a bed of rice, our 4 frog legs on top. Okay guys, that's gonna end this video. Hope you enjoy the adventure. It was fun. Please subscribe. I'm gonna go eat. Have a good night. Be safe. Go fishing. Get off the couch. Do something. I will check you guys later.